So about a few weeks ago, I got this alarm clock at Goodwill. Maybe it was last week or so. So I got this alarm clock at Goodwill. What kind is it? It's a Westclox. Okay, so I have the alarm set for 7:11 p.m. And I'm going to, when this alarm goes off, it goes like, I usually bought it to, for me to have a alarm clock in the shop right here. So I have this, alarm set right now. And, when this alarm goes off, I'm going to, plug in my system sensor SpectrAlert Classic, 1224MC, P1224MC, yeah, that's what it is. Sorry, the logo's scratched up because X is on it. All right, 7:10 right now. It's gonna be happening any second now, so I have my ear protection on right now because it's a total jump scare. I'm gonna go ahead and get the cord ready. Is the cord long enough? No. All right, so second now. Dad texted me or something? No, it's a notification on Instagram. I'll deal with it later. Come on. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it like this. So I'm going to I'm at 7:11 p.m. I guess I'll set it for 7:12. Okay, so I have it set for 7:12. Sorry, it looks a bit weird on the camera. But 7:12 p.m. Alarm is on. And I'm going to sound it off. You know what? I'm just gonna do it this way. So in 3, 2, 1. All right, there it goes. Now we're going to plug in the SpectrAlert. Come on. What? Try the other plug. Ah, no wonder. That's why. Silence, I have to screw this thing back on. But I'm not happy about this guy. Okay, I'm not very happy about that. Shall we plugged in? I hope to order the SpectrAlert Advance soon. Okay, so that should do it. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to set the time. Like this. There it goes. All right, now I'm going to plug in the SpectrAlert. Take 2. Here we go. Now this is set on low volume. Can I actually take my ear protection? Can I actually take my ear protection off? It's not that loud. Yeah, there we go. Wow. Go with the light off. Wow, impressive. There. That way out the distance. Here, then there. All right, now it's time to shut off. Set both of the, all right, now unplug the SpectrAlert. Wow, they're actually not as loud as I thought it would be. So you go ahead and shut the alarm off. So right now I'm actually going to all right, I think that does it for this video. Just comment if you want to see me do more. I hope to get the SpectrAlert Advanced soon. Probably going to get that from eBay, because that's where I got the SpectrAlert. This shipped from all the way from Nashville, Tennessee, and I don't know where SpectrAlert Advanced is going to ship from, because I did get a what do you call this thing? The connector. It's a the background thing or whatever it is. Oh, mounting plate. Yeah, I get the mounting plate right here. Yeah, so it can't come back off now. All right, so all right, that does it for this video. Comment if you want to see more. Please stay tuned for more.